back to the channel. It's Britt
and Bear,
and today we are doing a vacation outfit haul.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, so quick update. We're going on vacation. We're going to Mexico.
Yes, Cancun, and it's gonna be so much love and on time.
Yeah, and very much so an on-time vacation. So we figured that we would share the items that we got for vacation clothing. So we're gonna do a quick haul. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. We do lifestyle vlogs and all of the things, cleaning motivation, this, that, and everything in between. So please consider subscribing and joining our little YouTube family here at Casa de Wilkins. But if you don't know, Bear is considered big and tall, so he is standing tall at 6'4".
6'4".
Pushing
250 plus.
250 plus pounds. And so he is considered big and tall. He picked up a bunch of awesome items from Fashion Nova Men. So if you didn't know, now you know. They have a big and tall section. So so he's going to show you guys those outfits. And then I shopped at Shein this go around. So I am about 5'6" and some change with an undisclosed weight. Consider your girl thick, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So anyways, I wear a size large typically in everything. Sometimes a medium in the top, just depends. So, but we're going to have everything linked down in the description box down below for all the items that we share with you guys in this haul as well. And then I think we're going to try to pop some details up on the screen. So just keep your eye on that as we share. So anything else?
That's it. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it. Oh, one last thing. I did purchase some shoes from Shein, so I'll have those linked down below. My toes are not polished right now, so y'all not finna see these little open toe shoes on me today, okay? So check out the description box for all the details. But anyways, let's get right to it.
Well, let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young, and you got me going on every single beat. Hits my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right. Ooh, dancing really close. This is how it goes. Opposites attract. Guessing everybody knows. Fire on the floor, sneaking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, so right, huh? It feels so right. It feels so right.
All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us today for our little vacation haul. So as we mentioned, we'll have everything linked down in the description box below. So if you guys are interested in any of the pieces that we showed today, I'll have all those details in the description box. So make sure you check out down there, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and come join us for another vlog here soon. And keep an eye out for the Mexico vlog, because
It's gonna be a vibe.
y'all, it's supposed to be a whole vibe, okay? Alright, so we hope you guys have a great rest of your night, day, weekend, whatever it is, and we'll see you guys
Next time.
bye.